Good evening, students. Now we have discussed chapter number 3, Maths Theory of Equations. Theory of equations means we have to discuss the equations. There are more types of equations. First of all, we have to learn different types of polynomials. All of you take your book. The topic different types of polynomials. Generally, the polynomial denoted as P of x is equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 and so on plus a1x plus a0. If suppose P of x is equal to 0, put P of x is equal to 0, the polynomial changed into polynomial equation. If P of x equal to 0, the equation an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus and so on plus a1x plus a0 equal to 0. Suppose P of x equal to 0, this value is completely 0. This is the polynomial equation. There are more types of polynomial equation. Quadratic equation, cubic equation, 4th degree polynomial. We have to discuss further. 2nd degree, 3rd degree, 4th degree polynomial. Okay, first of all, we have to find the 2nd degree polynomial. 2nd degree polynomial means what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That must be equation. This is the quadratic equation, 2nd degree polynomial equation. Any polynomial has equation equal to 0, it has an equation. So, this is the 2nd degree polynomial equation, which is known as quadratic equation. So, how to find the quadratic roots for this? First of all, summation 1. Summation 1 means both alpha and beta are the two roots of the equation. We consider alpha and beta are the two roots of the equations. Alpha plus beta is equal to, take this is the sum of the root. Do you know? Sum of the roots minus b divided by this value a, and summation 2, product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. This is the summation 1 value, summation 2 value. And consider the equation format. Consider the equation format. How to form the equations? X square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots alpha beta equal to 0. Suppose we had a root. We have a root, two roots. How to form the equation, sir? So this type used to form the equation by using the two roots. One root is alpha and another root is beta. This is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. This is type 1. You understand? Type 1 is quadratic equation, and further type 2s are there, type 3 are there. So differently we have to discuss. First you understand this x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, because this is the sum of the root, this is the product of the roots. Okay, right. Now discuss one sum. Type 1, we discuss one sum. Take your book, all of you. This formula is known as Viti's formula. Refer page number 100. Page number 100. X square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root is equal to 0 is known as Viti's formula. Okay, right. This is the Viti's formula. Now, example 3.1. Example 3.1. Alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 17x square. Alpha, beta are the roots of the equation 17x square plus 43x minus 73 equal to 0. Construct the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2, comma beta plus 2. You have to consider alpha plus 2, beta plus 2. Okay, right. This is the quadratic equation. Alpha and beta are the two roots. First one, sum of the roots. Sum of roots, alpha plus beta. This is known as summation 1, which is equal to what? Minus 43. This value is 43. Take minus 43 by 17. This is the sum of the roots. And the product of the roots is what? Alpha, beta. Product of the roots. Product of roots. This is summation 2. Alpha, beta equal to, what is the value? Minus 73 by 17. This is the given concept. Alpha and beta are the two roots. Now we want to find alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2 value. Want to find alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2 value. This is the required equations root. These two are required equations roots. So we have to find sum of the roots. Alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2. Both roots are added 2. So summation 1 is equal to alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2, which is equal to alpha plus beta plus 4. What is the value? Alpha plus beta plus 4. Alpha plus beta plus 4. Now summation 1 is equal to, what is the value of alpha beta here? Minus 43 by 17. Minus 43 by 17 plus 4. Here plus 4. We have to multiply this one. First minus 43 and 40, 68. 68 divided by 17. So 25 is remaining. Here 25 by 17. This is the summation 1 value. And summation 2 value is what? Summation 2 value is equal to product of the roots. This summation 1, summation 2 is different. Here different. So summation 2. Alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. So we have to multiply these two factors. Alpha beta. First alpha, take alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 beta plus 4 plus 2 beta plus 4. Now summation 2 is alpha beta plus both these two terms, take 2 outside. 2 is alpha plus beta plus 4. Alpha beta plus 2 into alpha plus beta plus 4. Now what is the value of alpha beta here? Minus 73 by 17. Minus 73 by 17 plus 2 times of alpha plus beta means this value. Alpha plus beta means minus 43 divided by 17 plus 4. Now minus 73 by 17 minus 2 into 43, 86 divided by 17 plus 4 is separate. First of all, we have to add these two terms. This is also minus 159 actually. Minus 159 divided by 17 plus 4. Now minus 159 plus 4068. So totally divided by 17. Now we have to subtract this one. Minus 91 is correct answer. Minus 91 by 17. Subtract these two. Minus 91 divided by 17. This is the summation 2 value. This is also summation 1 value 25 by 17. Now the required equation is Vieta's formula. What is the value? X square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the root means summation 1 into x plus product of the roots. Product of the root means summation 2 equal to 0. Now x square minus summation 1 into x. Summation 1 means minus 25 by 17x plus summation 2 means minus 91 by 17 equal to 0. Multiply 17 on both sides. What is the answer? 17x square minus 25x minus 91 equal to 0, which is the required equation. Understand this? Okay, refer this. Okay, this is the required answer. So what is the answer in book? 17x square minus 25x minus 91 is equal to 0. This is the first sum. And now we discuss the second sum. If you had any doubt, you can rewind this. If you had any doubt, you can rewind this and you can discuss in the discussion video or a doubt clearance video. We will discuss that all doubts. Okay, right. Now we will go the second sum. Example 3.2. Alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, same type. Alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 13 equal to 0. Construct the quadratic equation. The roots are alpha square and beta square. Alpha square and beta square. Okay. Now alpha, beta are the roots of the equation. Alpha plus beta, this is summation 1 equal to, what is the value? Take minus, so plus. So minus of b, b means minus 7 divided by a means 2. The value of a is 2 and the value of b is minus 7 and the formula is minus. So the answer is 7 by 2 and summation 2. Summation 2 equal to alpha beta equal to 13 by 2. This is alpha beta value. And we want to require equation alpha square beta square. Alpha square and beta square. Okay. The summation 1 value is alpha square plus beta square. Do you know the formula? What is the formula? Alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, which is what? This is a plus b whole square. Now we want only alpha square plus beta square. So that's why we need alpha square plus beta square. Take 2 alpha beta that side. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Take 2 alpha beta to this side. So this is the one more formula from the well known formula. Okay. Right. So alpha square beta square value means what? That is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We cannot find directly, so we use this formula only. Okay, right. Now summation 1 is equal to alpha plus beta means what? Alpha plus beta means 7 by 2. 7 by 2 whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta means alpha beta value is 13 by 2. 13 by 2. So cancel these two. So what is the value? 49 divided by 4 minus 13. 49 divided by 4 minus 13, which is known as, this is the summation 1 value only. 49 minus 52 divided by 4. 52 divided by 4. Therefore the answer is summation 1 is equal to minus 3 by 4. This is the summation 1 value. And the summation 2 value is what? Summation 2 means, what is the roots? Alpha square beta square, product of the roots. Alpha square beta square, which is equal to alpha beta whole square equal to alpha beta whole square means, what is the value of alpha beta here? 13 by 2. 13 by 2 whole square. 13 by 2 whole square, which is equal to summation 2 169 by 4. This is the summation 2 value. Now we have to, this is the reference formula only, so I rub this. Summation 2. Now Vieta's formula, x square minus summation 1 into x plus summation 2 equal to 0. Now x square minus summation 1 is what? Minus of minus 3 by 4. This is summation 1 into x plus summation 2 means 169 divided by 4 equal to 0. The required equation is x square plus 3 by 4 x plus 169 divided by 4 equal to 0. Now multiply 4 on both sides. 4x square plus 3x plus 169 equal to 0, which is the required equation. Okay, are you understand this? Okay. So refer this sum carefully. Now we will discuss the third one. Exercise 3.1. We go to the exercise. Exercise 3.1. Question number 1. If the sides of a cubic box are increased 1, 2, 3 units respectively to form a cuboid, then the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of the cuboid. Find the volume of the cuboid. Now we have to discuss volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid means what? Side into side into side, because length into breadth into height. Okay, so let x be the sides. Let x be the side. So x cube, x into x. Already you read a cube. Now here we use, this is a polynomial, so that's why we have to use x cube only, right? Volume of the cuboid. Here given concept is the cubic box are increased side 1, 2, 3 given. So one side is x, that must be increased. One side is x plus 1 and the another one side is x plus 2 and the another one side is 3 increased. So that's why x plus 3. And also the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. The volume is also increased by 52 cubic units. That's why we have to add volume is increased at plus 52. This is the volume. Also increased 52. This is the given concept. Therefore, equal to x cube plus 52. Now we have to multiply these two. This is 1 and 2 are the two roots. We multiply x. If suppose 1 and 2 are the roots, this is the factor of roots. If we directly multiply, or you can write this is the sum of the root. What is the sum of the roots? 3. So minus 3x, x square minus 3x, and the product of the roots is what? 2 into 1, 2. Okay, this is the sum of the roots x square, because this is 2 and 1, that means 3x. This is the sum of the root, x plus 1, x plus 2. Also the roots are minus 1 and minus 2. If suppose here is also 1 minus, so minus 3x, or otherwise you can multiply directly into x plus 3 equal to x cube plus 52. If suppose directly we have to multiply x into x square plus 2x and then plus x plus 2, 2x plus x, 3x. Okay, right. Now multiply these two terms. First term x square, take this one x cube plus 3x square, 3x square, and this term plus 3x square plus 9x, and the third term plus 2x plus 6 is equal to x cube plus 52. Okay, now x cube, both x cube are cancelled. Directly we can cancel it, and then 3x square, 6x square plus 9x plus 2x, 11x plus 6. Here is 52, so minus 52 equal to 0. Now 6x square plus 11x minus 46 equal to 0. This is also the quadratic equation. Now we have to find the quadratic roots. How to find the roots? We have used formula method or factorization method. Formula method means what? Minus b plus or minus b square minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or otherwise we can multiply the factor 6 into minus 46, so totally minus 276 here, minus 276, and we have to add 11. This is the sum of the root, so we can use 2312. 23, this is plus, so this is minus 2312. Here having 6, so we have to divide this 23 by 6 comma minus 12 by 6. So the answer is 23 by 6 comma minus 2. Now factor this x plus 23 by 6 and x minus 2 equal to 0. This factor value is x equal to minus 23 by 6 and x is equal to 2 only. Let x be the side. So the negative value cannot be acceptable. So impossible value or not possible. The negative value not possible because this is the side. X is the side and x equal to 2 is the possible value. Therefore, the side of the cuboid is 2. Side of the cuboid is 2 units. Okay? Right. And the required volume is what? We have to apply x value is 2. The required volume is needed. So x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is the required volume V. Now V is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 2, 6, sorry 5, 3 plus 2, 5, and 2 plus 3, sorry, here 5 and here 4, 2 plus 1, 3, and 2 plus 2, 4, and 2 plus 3, 5. So total value is 60 cubic units. Multiply this 60 cubic units. Okay, right. Okay, now the type 2 cubic polynomial. Type 2 cubic polynomial. First we understood the notations. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of cubic polynomial equations. Cubic polynomial equation is x cube plus x square, that means b a plus c x plus d equal to 0, right? Now the summation 1 equal to sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, and the summation 2 is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is equal to c by a. Understood the notations? Sum of 2 is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Okay, and the summation 3 equal to alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. We understand these three notations, very very important. Okay, right. Now discuss the sum. Take your book, exercise 3.1, question number 2, Roman letter 2. Construct the cubic equation with the roots. Question number 2, Roman letter 2. Construct the cubic equation with the roots 2, 1 by 2 and 1. These are the three roots. Now we have to find the equation. This is alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation. Here alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 1 by 2, gamma equal to 1 are the roots of the cubic polynomial. We have to find the roots. First of all, summation 1. This is alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma? Alpha means 2 plus beta value 1 by 2 plus gamma value 1. So totally 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 by 2. We have to multiply cross 6 plus 1. So 7 by 2. This is the summation 1 value. And the summation 2 value is what? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is equal to alpha beta. The alpha beta means 2 into 1 by 2 plus beta means 1 by 2 into 1 plus gamma value, gamma into alpha, 2 into 1. So what is the value? 2 cancel, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2, 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 and 1 into 2. So cancel these two, 1 by 2 plus 2. Also this is also 7 by 2. This value is also 7 by 2. and the third value alpha, beta, gamma. 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. Alpha value is 2, beta value is 1 by 2, gamma value is 1. So 2, 2 cancel, the answer is 1. Now consider the cubic polynomial. Once again we recall the Vieta's formula. X cube, this is the cubic polynomial, so x cube minus summation 1 into x square plus summation 2 into x minus summation 3 equal to 0. We have used summations alternatively plus minus. First of all minus summation 1 plus summation 2 minus summation 3, and consider x cube, x square, x constant. Now x cube minus summation 1 means what? 7 by 2 x square plus summation 2 is what? Also 7 by 2. 7 by 2 x minus summation 3 is what? 1 equal to 0. And x cube minus, we have to multiply 2 both sides. So 2x cube minus 7x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the required cubic polynomial. Okay. And the next sum. Question number 3rd, Roman letter 3rd. Question number 3, Roman letter 3. Question number 3, Roman letter 3. Alpha, beta are the roots of the cubic equations. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Form the cubic equation whose roots are number 3 1 by alpha, comma 1 by beta, comma 1 by gamma. Right? Okay. I erase this. We use previous sum. Here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation. First summation 1, sum of the root alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is the value? We use minus here. So minus 2 divided by here 1. So the answer is minus 2 only. And product of the root, summation of 2. What is the value? Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha. This one. This one is also plus. So minus, plus, minus. Alternatively we can use now here 3 because this one. And the alpha, beta, gamma here this value. So minus 4. Minus 4. Now we want to find 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Same type. Summation 1 is equal to, summation 2 is equal to, summation 3 is equal to. Summation 1 means 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Because 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, comma 1 by gamma are the roots. Okay? Right. Now summation 1 is equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Summation 1 is equal to, now we have only alpha plus beta plus gamma roots. Here 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. So we have to multiply beta gamma in numerator by beta gamma, because it will come alpha, here beta gamma by alpha beta gamma. In denominator will come commonly alpha beta gamma. So here is what? Beta gamma plus here alpha gamma plus here gamma is there. So we have to multiply alpha beta. So alpha beta. Here gamma is there. So alpha beta, here alpha beta gamma. So commonly alpha beta gamma, which is equal to, need some space. So summation 1 is equal to alpha beta beta gamma alpha gamma. What is the value? 3 by Alpha beta gamma means minus 4. So summation 1 value is this one. And the summation 2 value. Summation 2 value is what? 1 by, multiply these two terms only. 1 by alpha into 1 by beta plus 1 by beta into 1 by gamma plus 1 by gamma into 1 by alpha. So now the equation will come only. Here is alpha beta is there. So multiply gamma numerator and gamma denominator. So total alpha, beta, gamma is the common value. Here which value could not arrive? This is gamma. Here gamma. So multiply gamma in numerator and denominator. Here gamma. Okay, here beta gamma is there. So alpha is not arrived. So alpha. Multiply alpha in the numerator and the denominator. Plus here alpha gamma. Beta is not there. So multiply beta. So totally alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus 2. So minus 2 divided by alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma means minus 4. Alpha beta gamma means minus 4. Totally 2 by 4. 2 by 4. This is summation 2. And summation 3 here. Summation 3 equal to, multiply these 3 factor. 1 by alpha into 1 by beta into 1 by gamma is equal to 1 by alpha beta gamma. What is the value of alpha beta gamma? So 1 by minus 4. The value is minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now we want to consider the Vieta's formula. The required cubic polynomial is x cube minus summation 1 into x square plus summation 2 into x plus summation 3 equal to 0. Now x cube minus summation 1 into x square. What is the value of summation 1? Already minus 3 by 4 is there into x square. Plus summation 2 is what? 2 by 4. 2 by 4x. Plus summation 3 is minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Now multiply 4 in the numerator. What is the answer? 4x cube. 4x cube minus into minus plus 3x square. Denominator 4 cancelled. Here also denominator 4 cancelled. So plus 2x. Here also denominator 4 cancelled. Minus 1 equal to 0. Which is the required cubic polynomial. Okay. Which is the required cubic polynomial. 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. Sorry, plus 1 here. This is the form of plus, here minus. Here also minus 1 by 4. Both minus are same. Both minus are multiplied by plus. Here plus. This is a summation 3 form. Minus plus, first plus, minus plus, another one is minus. Here also minus summation 3. Already minus 1 by 4 is there. So minus into minus plus. So plus 1. The answer is 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So refer this sum. Homework I will give the withdrawal. Okay. Thank you.